I cannot believe this thing. So frustrating. So frustrating. First and foremost, I totally acknowledge I should not have been trading in this area whatsoever. It's consolidating, it's just going up and down and up and down. But I don't know about you, but for me, so much of my emotions drive my trading, and I'm journaling about them. I'm actually going to share a huge aha moment that I had this week, tomorrow, probably tomorrow. But my emotions, I struggle. I really wrestle with my emotions, and so I hadn't had a trade all day. There was a huge one this morning, and I woke up about 5 minutes after the entrance of what would have been an incredible entry. Would have been amazing, amazing trade. Would not have thought about trading for the rest of the day, but I didn't get it, and so I get antsy, right? I get like I need to make a trade, and so I saw this right here. Here's what I saw. I saw this is our key area right here. I saw price come up, give me that doji, give me this bearish candle here, and I was like, "Ooh, I'm getting in, I'm getting in." And so I got in my first trade right around in here. I felt pretty good about that entrance. Had my stop loss with that one around right in here, probably about the same as this one over here. But here's what happened: up and down, up and down, up and down. It's a roller coaster ride, right? And so it started to come into my favor. I felt really good about it. It came back up, and I was like, "Oh crap, I'm gonna get stopped out." Came back down. I was like, "Ooh, okay, maybe I'll be okay." Came back up. Oh crap, I'm gonna get stopped out. Comes back down. For me, when I get to this point, I was like, okay, I'm just getting out as soon as I can, right? Saw this little green candle, got in profit. I was like, I'm out of here, and closed the trade. I think for $13 profit or something, enough for a happy meal, right? Woohoo! And so I then watched it come down. I was like, are you kidding me? Reverses, goes right back up, gives me another entry pattern right here. At least I think that is, because I'm still learning this stuff as I go. But look at that great big fat candle right there. That great big fat bearish engulfing candle. I was like, oh yeah, that's it, right? And so I wasn't quick enough to get in the trade. And so I was already like a minute already down here. And so here's what I did. I did something I should never do. Gotta learn from every trade, right? I chased the trade. You should never chase the trade. If you don't get in where you're supposed to get in, just let it go, right? Dummy, 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 dumb. Anyway, and so I was like, okay, if it comes back up to where I would have gotten in, then I'm going to get in, and so it did. It came right back up right here, and it's like I'm getting in this trade. I mean, this is too pretty of an entry. I'm getting in right here, and so it goes up just a little bit and comes right back down. I'm like, woohoo! It's coming back down. It's finally going to go in my favor, and then right back up, and I was like, oh crap, and forms what I should have seen as a double top right there. You see that? That I should have seen as a double top. This thing is really, my latency is really slow. Let's just get rid of that thing. Um, and so I should have noticed that, but I didn't. And so to me, I'm just like, oh, okay, I'm okay. Oh, I gotta get out. I gotta get out. And so I told myself, well, I'm just gonna get out of the trade. Excuse me, as soon as I can. And so as soon as I was in profit right there, I got out of the trade. I think I got like 20 or 25 bucks or something out of it, enough for two happy meals. And then look at it, it came right on back down, and I was like, "Dad, gummit, I could have gotten at least a 1.5 R out of that or so." And then of course it went right on up. Thank goodness I did get out of the trade though. Look at that baby, right? Came right on up. Got to learn with every trade. Got to learn. Look at this thing. I should have never even considered getting into a trade. That is all complete just consolidation, up and down and up and down and up and down. Why wouldn't my emotions go up and down and up and down as well? So anyway, got to learn with every trade. That's what I've learned today. So I hope you're doing well. Take care. Be blessed.